We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Happy New Week. Monday is here. Monday is here. Zebec. Zebec looking extremely good. Okay, we have a very good signal here on the weekly chart for Zebec. You can see this candle just closed. Exactly what we've been looking for. We had the previous week with like a bearish kind of a candle with a long tail. But then we had this week, the last week that closed this green bar all the way up, invalidating completely the so-called quote quote bearish candle of the previous week and creating a bullish bullish candlestick pattern. Okay, you can see this one and this one, the both of them together. That means bulls are in control. We're also getting very nice signal on the weekly chart on the momentum. You can see the momentum is crossing up. I'll take you show you this chart, this one. Second, you can see the momentum here just cross up back from the lows. This is bullish as F. This is actually the first time on Zebec history that the momentum went to the oversold, to the to the bearish territories, to the lowest levels. You see, it went to the lowest level, and now it's ticking back up into the bull, into the box, the blue box. Okay, this is what you want, man. This is the stochastic RSI on the weekly. That's where good stuff happen when you tick back up and you trend up. You can see that. Look at this one here. All right, we needed to trend back higher. Obviously, we had it here and we had it here. Where is this baby? See, bam, bam. This move's happening, every couple of months you get this cross up. Hopefully this is the real deal now. Last one we had was on April 2025, like 6 months ago, man. 6 months ago, that was the last signal on the weekly stochastic, man, which is very, very good. Very, very good. That means Q4 is going to be hot, hot, hot for Zebec. That's what we believe. If you're here, if you watch the live, make sure to like it. Like the video on the YouTube. Share it on your X. Do me a favor and like and leave a comment. Leave a comment, man. Say good morning. Happy days are coming. Now, Zebec is still in the triangle. If you look on the daily chart, very nice move we had now. Very nice move. Look at it. It's now at this trend line. Look what happened, man. We are now testing the downward trend line. It can consolidate here. It can consolidate. It's not have to just go now. It can pull back, a little bit or maybe a lot. But still, this is very bullish. It's back above the 50-day, back above the 100-day, above the 200-day. Moving averages aligning bullishly. This is a very bullish coin, a very bullish chart, and we're now back above the 50-day, which is very, very important. Above the 50-day, look at that. That's bullish stuff are happening. Good stuff are happening. Below, chop. Below, chop. Above, fundamentals can happen. Okay, so we expect a breakout of the downward trend. Actually, will not be surprised to see it happening this week. Break of the downward trend we're talking about, and also we need to take that level of resistance, the 53, if it can clear that one, and the 62s or the 61s ish. That's it. It's gonna go. It's gonna go, 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 go. The question is it going to happen this week, next week, or later in October? No one knows. No one can tell you exactly the time. No one have a stopwatch for this nonsense. But what we do have is the bullish signals that tell us this chart is going to break bullish very, very soon. That's what it tells us. Yes. Smash the like and subscribe if you like Zebec. Let's see what's going on here. How you doing? How you doing? Hello. Did you guys catch Zcash? Nope. I missed Zcash. We caught Dash, XVG, XMR, and DCR. All privacy coins. We smoked them. Most of them are like 30-40% up. Max gains, obviously nothing like Zcash, but still gains are gains. Gains are gains. I use stochastic RSI from time to time, man, but I don't trade based on it. Okay, man. Cookie. Apex. Oh man, you have such a tough questions for the morning, man. Oof. Too serious, man. Apex. Look, you ask about this one if I would buy it here. I don't know, man. Probably not. Probably not. Probably not. Okay, it gave you no entry, nothing. Yeah, you had an entry here, but there was nothing really showing you that this was a very strong edge. Maybe if you had a if you have been watching this coin before and you're bullish on it, la la la. But this was like untradeable pump, okay, for me because it didn't give you any bullishness, any clues it's gonna pump, just melt up from out of nowhere. Okay, this is like a out of nowhere pump, so that's cool, man. Give me a second. Smash the like, man. The people are sick and give you this life. Smash the like, subscribe, cook the bell. What else do we have here? Woohoo! Yeah, whatever. Smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment. If we have a lot of comments, I'm gonna look on them. If not, gonna go have an omelet, man. All right. See what do we have here. Let's see. Dash Zen, please. Okay. Like the video, sir. Like the video. Dash and Zen, please. Okay. Look on your coin, man. Relax. Zen. Look back on rubbish. At the moment, for me, it's absolute rubbish. Not no. Maybe we'll pump later, but maybe now. I don't know. But for me, there is no edge in this chart. Dash is very bullish. Very bullish weekly bar. You can see this weekly bar. Might cool off a little bit. Privacy coins actually look a bit extended short term. So you might get a cool off pullback. If you let's look on the daily. You can see look at the tails here on the dash chart. Yeah, you can continue higher, obviously straight from here, but I wouldn't be surprised to see some kind of a correction maybe, and then another leg up. That's my 2 cents. Again, obviously it's on my radar. I'm gonna buy it obviously if it's gonna pull back and consolidate and set up for another trade, just like we bought it. I'll show you the trade from the membership. Let me just show you the trade from the membership on Dash because we're already looking at it. Give me a second, sir. This stuff here. Dash, where is Dash? See the Dash trade, okay, from October 1st by the break of 27.8. That was our entry here. On this pump, we bought it. 27.8 was actually extended when I bought it. but still managed to make, max gain. You can see all the way to the top Intel, to the top here, 44%. That was amazing. Amazing. Quick gain, bring it all the target. Boom, 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 boom. We had a few of these in the last couple of days. We had a few of like 40%, 50% daily pumps into all our targets, which these trades completely help you grow the account. It's unbelievable market. So definitely watching Dash. Dash is a strong privacy coin. Definitely watching it. Sir, make sure to join VIP link below, man. Join the VIP link below. Yeah. Similarly, look at G again. Too choppy. Again. Again, I looked at it. I looked at it here. Rubbish, man. It's very choppy. There is no, it's a pump and dump, You cannot, it's hard to trade these coins because they can dump on you at any moment. They're just dumping all the time. You can see dumping, 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 dumping. Too much dumping. That's why we like Zebec, okay? Zebec, you know, if the bulls are coming, they're coming, You see, the bulls are here. Bulls, bulls, bull. Now we're looking for a big one. Again, my 2 cents. I might be wrong. Where is the Zebec? Can't compare Zebec to the Eigen or to the other crap people are looking at, People are looking on absolute crap. Like they having an eyesight problem or something. Or, man, hey, John, how you doing? OJ, good morning, man. Smash the like, bro. Do you see my chart? By the way, do you see my Zebec chart? I don't know. I'm not sure you see my chart. Anyway, the reason I ask is where there are some coins came up with the screener. Man, too much nonsense for me. Let's look on let's look on the chart. This chart on Zebec. Okay, let me take a little sip of the coffee. Life is good. Tell us where you're from. How you doing? How was your last week of trading? What was your best trade? Tell us something, man. If you watch the live, type in the comment. Take your fingers, man, that God gave you, and type a comment, or at least like it or retweet it, man. Come on, man. Bitcoin. Better join the VIP, guys, now. Last week was insane for us. This week, if Bitcoin not manipulating the market, we're going to keep printing. Brr, brr, brr. Look at Bitcoin at resistance. At resistance, probably the bears are all over this trend line here. Oh, I'm going to short it. I'm going to short it. Oh. Yeah. Anyway, Bitcoin is very bullish. Look at it above the 50-day, above the 200-day, above the 100-day. Need the 50 back above the 100. Hopefully, it will not pull back now. You know what? Hopefully, it will not pull back at all. We're just going to go sideways, because if it pulls back, altcoin will take a big shit, a big poop. If you look on altcoins, most of them are still garbage, So, Bitcoin, if it's hold here, that would be good. If it goes sideways, I believe you're going to see rotation into Ethereum and other large cap. At the moment, the only large cap that is going is BNB. BNB is going. Look at this. Bam, bam, going to new high. At some point, you'll see rotation from Binance to maybe ETH, maybe XRP, maybe Solana, maybe other large cap. But yeah, I'm waiting for the rotation. And yeah, meanwhile, I'm trading other coins that are pumping very hard. The Binance is like just I look at it as an indicator for bull markets. What else do we have here? Woohoo! Dash. Woohoo! It's possible. $100 dash. Man, anything is possible. Anything is possible in this life, you know? Anything is possible. Hey, CM, what do you think about Fartcoin? Oh boy, Fartcoin is not looking good, man. Let me show you the Fartcoin chart. Red Pill, how you doing? Man, this is rubbish, man. Maybe you wanna look for short here. This is a rubbish coin, man. Chart. This had a death cross, man. This had a death cross below the 50, below the 200. There is nothing to look for here for long. It's completely gonna cook you. If you want to do anything with that one, maybe short it. If Bitcoin will pull back now, for example, it could be a bear flag down, you know, if you want to short. But long, if you think about longing it, red pill, you need to take the red pill, man, because the blue pill is not working for you. Let's see what we have here. Drop more questions, red pill. Drop more questions, man, to keep me alive here. I still have 50% position in BNB. Oh, good for you, man. Good for you. Good for you. Good job. Good job. Wrecked, I'm shorting. Yes. Yes, it's good, man. But this, the mindset of shorting in this altcoin bull is kind of dumb, man. Because, you know, shorting is not working like it should work. In a bear market, you short. Now Bitcoin is at all-time high. Some altcoins are pumping 100% in a day. Obviously you can short the rubbish coins, but really I think it's a waste of energy and attention to look for short, because if you look for the right longs, can give you like 50% candles in a day, which is much better. Shorting, you're gonna have a lot of time to short, man, in a couple of months time, once they're gonna pull the rug on all this stinky market, you know you know so yeah, for me, I'm just long now. Long Q4, long Q1, short the F. Maybe even before Q1, short the F. But Q4, long crypto, man. Long crypto, man. Smash the like, drop a question. Zebec, where is all the Zebec army, man? Where are they? What they're doing? They're jerking off. What they're doing, man? Look on pump coin, pump. Come on, pump. All right, Pumpy. Oh, by the way, this was our entry. I'll show you the trade in a bit, but the other way. But look, now it's cooking, man. It's cooking. Look, it's very nice coin. I like Pump. Where is the big chart? Okay, let's look at this chart. Look, I like Pump. It's a new coin, hypey, very nice coin. I'm waiting for it to consolidate here to create. I don't know if it's going down or up. It's hard to tell. It's very hard to tell now. It could be a lower high here, and it could come back, or maybe it's gonna do this, like winding type of a move, and then boom, you see or down or up. Anyway, I'm waiting. I'm watching it, but it's not really like a. I have charts that look much better. Pump, remember, Pump already had a mega pump now in September, so it might cool off in October and continue in November. Who knows, man? It might be done as well. You never know. Where is my pump trade? Look at pump trade, man, from the membership back in September 1st. That was the best trade for September we had. See, by the break of 374, all my members bought it. Look at this. And my members are busy printing, man. 374 guys, they don't do nothing. They just, living their life, buying, taking the trades, and brr, brr, brr. Look at this. That trade max gains, man, went up 130% from our entry, man, in September. Now people looking on pump after we already took our profits. We're at, you know, people look at it after the hype. We bought it before the hype. That's the difference, man. For me, pump at the moment is a watch. Is on my watch list. Okay, I have watch list and I have buy list. It's not my buy list. Yeah, but I don't do post analysis. I don't give an F. I do, I'm busy collecting the dineros. You know what I mean? I don't care, man. My PNL is going up. You know, the trades are printing. I don't care, man. You know what I mean? I flow in the market. As long as my PNL is going up, everything is good. The only time I'm doing post analysis on stuff is when I take, let's say a loss. Some months are not going well. When I have like a bad month, for example. But as long as we're in the green consistently since like the breakout, since 2025 is amazing, man. We shorted it in the first quarter, then in the second quarter on April breakout Bitcoin, we longed altcoins and Bitcoin. Then Ethereum hype in July, August, I think, and XRP. Then September we had many other amazing trades. Man, every month we're consistently in the green. So I don't care. I don't have time for post analysis. I'm busy in finding opportunities. I'm looking for the next opportunity. I don't have time for post analysis nonsense. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, man? You know, I'm busy, man. I'm busy. I'm busy. You just not watching the chart 1 day or 1 hour, you can miss out an epic breakout trade. Okay, so I prefer not doing analysis on my past trades and actually look for the future trade, which will generate more profits. And that's my mindset, man. Profit maxes. Oh, trust me, I learned a lot from my trades, mate. 8 years daily on the charts, trading all day. Trust me, I learned from my trades, mate. Man, what the fuck happened to Cass? Bart Simpson head. Yeah, man, KASPA is officially cooked. It's cooked. It's cooking. It's again, man. I don't touch it. I'm not touching it below the 50-week MA. If it will break below this level, I might take a short. But at the moment, I don't touch it. I'm waiting for it or a breakout above the 50-week or a breakdown below that, maybe trigger a little short and see how it works, because maybe it want to collapse. You never know. This crypto market, everything is a rug pull in the making. Tell me how I should play. I have 370k ZBCN on futures. What? Long free from the back 500. I don't know, man. I don't do futures. I don't give financial advice on YouTube. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a trader. If you want to get all our trades, join VIP, man. That's how we can help you. Regarding that, I don't do leverage, and that's it, man. I cannot give financial advice on YouTube. They're gonna strike me. After being hyped, Brett looks fucked. Oh yeah, man. All the meme coins are cooked, man. All the meme coins are cooked completely. All the meme coins of Galaxy, especially, the crypto Galaxy and all the clowns. Man, no money, man. All the money is going now to the big caps, some mid caps with and small caps with momentum, which are in bull markets. all the old meme coins that had their hype cycle. This one I have a bigger chart. Where's the big chart, man? All the meme coins that already had a big move, you know, uh, where is this? Come on, for example, take Pepe, okay, Pepe USD, okay. Look, or Turbo, whatever you want, look, Pepe already had a huge cycle, in 2023 and 2024. Okay, this is the log scale, so people are like looking at it, calling it, to go to the moon, blah blah blah. Man, maybe it's topped out. It's cooked, man. There is not enough liquidity to buy this crap coin. Also, Turbo, same idea, man. Now the new meme coins will take over. If you have, if any meme coin will pump, it's going to be a new meme coin. It's not going to be an old meme coin. The old meme coins probably topped out. Maybe if they're going to do another run, they're going to do a little higher high fake out, and then they're cooked. I don't know. You need some major trillions of capital to flow into the crypto market, and not in the form of the ETF. The ETF money goes only to Bitcoin and Ethereum, so it's not really circulating down into the shit coins because it's in the ETF money, or it's on the DAT nonsense. The what's the name of this nonsense? The DATs companies, this, whatever it is. So anyway, all these meme coins, man, in the past, they're actually short candidates. All of them are going to zero, man. Probably, not now, but later for sure. Woohoo! Qubic is got cooked, man. Qubic is cooked, man. Where is the big chart here? Cooked. Well, man, it's consolidating, but it's rubbish. It's very actually had a nice, decent pump here. Very nice pump, but it just could be just a little retest, bearish retest of the 50-day. You need to break above the 50-day. It shouldn't be below the 50-day in a bull market, in an altcoin bull market. The fact that it's dropped all the way down tells you that it's a crap pump and dump scheme, Ponzi. Again, maybe I'm gonna buy the breakout here. Maybe. Probably not. I'll tell you the truth. Probably not after the last dump here. A very vicious dump. It shows you that this coin is manipulated by one whale. You see, just like here, the one whale crash it. One whale crash it. Probably the insiders, the project itself, the CEO, whatever. They're selling it, and yeah, I don't know, man. I'll watch it. Maybe I'll buy it later. I don't know. But now, no. Thank you, man. The people that were gambling on memes in the past bear market lost all their money, so no one buying memes, lol. Yeah, man. Only traders trade like meme coins, if they are like looking good. But yeah, the retail is cooked, man. Pepe is in the neglect phase. Now it looks like to me it's in the decline phase. It's in the decline phase. And yeah, man, Momo got pushed on YouTube. Never bought into it. Momo is rubbish, man. Where is the Momo? Momo. Absolute. I don't know. It's only on Mexi, man. It's only on Mexi and on few exchanges. It's on spot. It's not. For me, I don't even look on this garbage. For me, I cannot trade it. If it have no futures, that you can long and put stops on it, I cannot. I don't trade spot market, man. I don't trade. I trade only on futures. I trade without leverage. It's the best way to trade crypto, the most professional way. Spot is for babies, clowns. Sometimes I'm gonna take a spot trade if it's only on spot, but overall, 99% of my trades have futures, for the coins I trade, because it's more liquid. I look for liquidity when I trade. I don't want to move the market. It's a big whale. Yeah, guys, like the video, subscribe, do yourself a favor, join VIP. Join VIP, man. Let me show you. Let me show you a few trade we took last week. Where is this stuff? This is one trade we took last week. Oh, I showed you yesterday. We took insane trade. Look at take. That was yesterday. You can see October 15. Look at it. Look at take, man. Look at this. Take. Insane pump and dump. Okay, you can see this candle here. It hit all our targets, came, and that's it. The trade was done. You can see we entered. Look at the trade. We bought it here at 21.4. Okay, you can see 21.4. That take. Look at that yesterday. 21.4. Where's this nonsense? Right here, man. It pumped through all our orders. Okay, you see it hit all our orders. Max gains 47% on the nose, and came back crashing down. We were out of the trade. That was it. It hit all our targets and came back down. Insane. Brr, brr. 3 hours. In 3 hours, look at this. Look at this candle. All our target, and that was it. Okay, that was it. That was one trade from yesterday, man. Look at this one. Jelly from October 3rd. Actually closed my runner as well. Look at this. 573. That was the breakout. By the break above 573. Look at Jelly, man. Man, we're busy. We're busy. Jelly, my jelly. See? 573. I'll show you the entry. This was the best trade for last week. Okay. Oof, it's actually pumping now. Maybe gonna pump. Look, 573. That was our entry here. Okay, still have runners. Remember, still have a runner on it, but the majority of the gains are locked in already. 110% in a day. Okay, that was like one candle, two candle, three candle, a 4-hour chart. Okay, like in 12 hours, boom, 100%. Man, insane, filthy gain. Okay, and we had many other trades, man. Many other trades. I can show you. We had the Dash, we had all of them, but these two were the best. Insane pumps. All right, what do we have here? STO. Yeah, man, we trade good stuff, man. We trade good stuff, man. It's really cheap, man. It's really cheap. The membership, we do all the work for you. Obviously you can trade your coins as well, but you're gonna get tons of trades, man. Man, we work all day, man. We have a group of traders that work together, get the best coins, the best charts, and we filter it for you. And then you get the trade alerts. Boom. All right, buy now, okay, or buy the breakout, okay. Easy peasy, man. You put stops, you put targets, you go live your life. You come back. Oh wow, your account is up. Very nice. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We like it as well. It's very nice. What else do we have here? Let's look on Bitcoin. What Bitcoin is doing. By the way, tell me if you see my chart. I'm not sure. Oh, nice. Bouncy. Good. Bitcoin hold here. We're gonna have a wonderful week. Yep. Anyway, guys, If you have any question, drop it now. If not, where is this stuff? Really, we invite you to join our VIP membership. The best thing you can do this crypto bull run. This is the final quarter of the year. Usually, if you look on the last three cycles, 2013, 2017, 2021, all terminated in November or early December. Okay, or early November or early December. The last one was early November. You have to bear it in mind that the cycle might be over this quarter. Don't believe to all the clowns telling you, oh, now Michael Saylor is here and Tom Lee is here and all the, the institutions are buying and it's never going to go into a bear market again. You have a window of opportunity now. October, very likely to be extremely bullish. November, we have to see. December, start selling. Start selling. Now, the best thing to do in this market is to trade the coins. You need to know what you're doing. You need to trade the market leaders. You can see for yourself many people making nothing, actually losing capital and losing, and their account is going down in this phase of the cycle, which is insane. This cycle is different. It's professional cycle. It's not an easy cycle like last cycle or the ones before. You need to know what you're doing. And we're saving you the time and energy in your research. Because anyway, if you're new to this market, all the research you're going to do, you think you call it a research, will fail miserably because you have no idea what the F are you doing. We do, man. We are professors of crypto trading. 8 years in this market, counting daily. We put so much hours in this market, that if you see the hours that we're watching charts a day and trading, you will be like, what is there this amount of hours in a day? So man, consider joining VIP. You have a coupon below. Check it out, man. You can try for 1 month. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. You can try the VIP for 4 months, which will give you access to all our membership, all our market updates, trade alerts, and also educational material, courses and books we have on the WAP, on the page, and general support. Yeah, man, that's the best way to ride this last quarter of crypto, because alone, man, you're probably gonna end up getting wrecked. It is what it is. I got wrecked in my first cycle in 2018. I got wrecked. Why? Never took profit, and I was a newbie, a baboon, Now, 8 years later, much better trader. If you trade with more than 50K and you're looking for a coaching service that you want to teach you how to trade professionally, you're going to have one-on-one phone calls with top traders, myself or with Jomo. You're going to have unlimited access to both of us. You're going to have access to all our educational webinars, anything, all our exclusive group. We're going to also give you private notification of mega trades that we play aggressively. This is the best tier for high net individuals. More than 50K is good. Even more than 30K if you really want to grow faster. So check the Elite VIP. Let's see if anyone have a question and we wrap it up. All right, guys, have a